Hi, this is the early book one video for Firework. So let's practice these notes first before we play. We need B, A, E, E. That's all you need for right now. So let's put that with motorcycle. B, motorcycle, motorcycle, E, cycle, motorcycle, E, E, A, E, E. Okay, that's all you need for the first part, and I'll tell you when to stop. Now you have a special second part that you're going to play starting at measure 24 using a note you've never played before, C natural. So I'm going to give you a C natural sticker, and it's going to sound like this. And every time we sing "Baby You're you get to play that part. So when I get to that spot, you'll hear it. I think I do it about 8 times. So we'll do that together. So let's start from the beginning. Remember, the bass line is B, A, E, E, B, A, E, E. Let's do it. Two, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Get your B finger. 3, go. A, E, E, B, A, E, E. Again, B, A, E, E. One more time. This is a 4th time. E, E. Then you get a little break. 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4. Get ready. 7, 2, 3, 4. Here comes your next part. 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. 1, 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 2, 3, 4, open G, ready, and... Okay, my friends, very exciting. We will be working on this in your lesson, and this is your practice video.